This video is about the Osmo Pocket lanyard, which you can buy on eBay. As you can see, I'm walking with the Osmo Pocket outdoors along the street with the Osmo Pocket lanyard. I have got the Osmo Pocket in the tilt lock mode and holding it in the torch position with the lens straight out. As you can see, with that way, I don't cover any of the microphones at all, and the Pocket sits firmly in my hand. I feel more confident with this lanyard attached to the Osmo Pocket because now I know I cannot drop it whatsoever. This lanyard is attached to the connector recess. It slides in where the connector for your phone would go. I think this is a accessory which is a must if you wish to walk around with the Osmo Pocket in your hand, attached to nothing at all, no handle or selfie stick. So I did on one of my other videos showed where you can buy this from eBay, but people in the US might have trouble getting it. I advised please try Amazon to see if they sell it on there. Okay,